You used to sleep through the night. Now you're wide awake at 2 a.m., Googling why am I so angry at 43. Sound familiar? Here's what nobody told you. Your gut, your hormones, and your muscles are all connected. And what you eat right now can change how the next several years feel. I'm going to show you exactly what the science says to do. Here's the connection most women are never told about. Your gut microbiome plays a direct role in how your body processes estrogen. There's a specialized group of gut bacteria called the Estrobolome. It produces enzymes that decide if estrogen gets recycled or flushed. And menopause throws that entire system off balance. A 2025 study in Frontiers in Endocrinology found that gut microbiome diversity drops significantly after menopause. 82% of women report new or worsening gut issues during this transition. Bloating, constipation, reflux. But you can rebuild that balance. Let's start with the first nutritional target, 30 grams of protein at breakfast. Muscle loss accelerates during menopause. Research shows you need 30 to 40 grams of protein per meal to stimulate muscle repair. Front-loading protein at breakfast stabilizes blood sugar and reduces cravings for the rest of the day. Target number 2, 30 grams of fiber throughout the day. Fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Federal guidelines recommend 22 to 34 grams a day. A 2025 trial found fiber boosted immune health. Target 3, eat 3 probiotic-rich foods every day. These deliver beneficial bacteria directly to your gut. Probiotic strains like lactobacillus improve metabolic health. Good options include yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut. Walking is the single best daily exercise. It reduces cortisol and stimulates new brain cells through a protein called BDNF. 20 to 30 minutes a day, ideally outside. That is a legitimate prescription for your health. The research says light weights aren't doing much for your bones. Women lose up to 10% of bone mass around menopause. The Lift More trial showed that high-intensity resistance training significantly improved bone density. Lift heavier with proper form. For 20 years, hormone therapy was treated as dangerous. But that era is ending. A 2024 review found no mortality difference. In November 2025, the FDA began removing the black box warning. It's the most effective treatment for hot flashes. The blanket fear? That's no longer evidence-based. It's worth having a real conversation with your provider. Aggressive fasting can backfire. A simpler approach? Stop eating 2 to 3 hours before bed and eat a protein breakfast. That's a natural 12 to 13-hour fast. It aligns with your circadian rhythms and supports metabolic health. Stop trying to get smaller, get stronger. Your body doesn't need less, it needs more. More protein, more fiber, and more muscle. Here's your daily framework. Protein, fiber, fermented food, a brisk walk, and strength training. Just consistent, evidence-based habits. Perimenopause and menopause are not sentences to serve. Fix your gut, build real strength. We're here to help. Visit advoMedix.com to log everything so your next appointment starts with data instead of guesswork. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. We're here to help you navigate what comes next.